Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can get your voice chat back after being suspended on Roblox. So first you have to open up your Roblox on your browser, and here just click on the top, and you have to just remove the home and just type here the sport. So after you type the sport, just hit the enter and you will go to the new page where you can request for your suspension. So now here you have to just put your username, and this is optional, and you have to just put your first name, and this is also optional. And here in the email address you have to just put your email address and also put your email address again. And then you can select your device, click on the please select, and select the PC if you have. Then click on the please select again, and then here you can just select the moderation. And after that just click on the please select again, and then here you can just select the account issue. So in my page there is no option of account issue, so I'm just selected any randomly. And then here you can just type the to Roblox support team. After checking your community guidelines, I can see I have not violated any community standards and would appreciate if you could look into removing my voice chat suspension. Thanks. And after you type it, just click on the continue option, and then the Roblox will reply on your email after the 24 hours. And if you do not violate it any community guidelines, then the Roblox will get you back your voice chat. And guys, this is how you can request for your voice chat. And guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, because this is only motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.